the world's first 5K, 2K bendable gaming monitor. Last year, LG debuted the world's first 4K bendable, but this is obviously, the display is even clearer. This optimizes LG's OLED display technology, and as you can see here, it's actually curving as we speak. So it gives the user the option to either play in that flat mode or in the curved mode, depending on their preferences and the game that they're playing.
Is this automatically curving?
Well, the gentleman to press the button here, you as the user would do it. It doesn't do it automatically. It's kind of on you to choose the way that you would do it, but it does do it itself once you've turned it on.
Now, I've been in the tech industry for about 15 years now, and that is one of the most impressive displays I've ever seen, because I watched with my own eyes that gaming monitor just suddenly curved. And that just goes to show you where the screen technology is headed. Because years ago, I was told that, you know, smartphones of the future are gonna be bendable. You're just gonna be able to roll it up like a fruit roll up and then put it into your pocket. And then you can take it out, roll it out flat, it'll stay flat, take that call, and then you roll it back and put it into your pocket. If you're seeing this kind of bendable technology happen, this OLED technology, and it's happening with gaming monitors, it's only a matter of time before that same technology goes into televisions. So it's almost perfect, because it's almost like 10 years later, curved TVs are probably going to make a comeback, but it's going to be a flat TV that is also curved. We've seen it with the gaming monitors right now with our own eyes. I'm telling you folks, that technology is coming, and it might even come with tablets and smartphones in the future. It's a very, very interesting time. And you know what? Something like the smartphone, you need some type of new technology, because everything looks the same. Everything looks like an iPhone, whether it's Android or iOS. You know, they all look the same, the phones. But imagine you had a fruit roll-up phone. Well, I'm telling you, that technology is coming in the near future. And you heard it here, folks. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that video of watching that curved monitor. That's a first. That's the world's first. And you saw it right here. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy. Be sure to like and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments below. See you again in the next video.